Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for Mirna, who's one of my patrons over on Patreon. So thank you, Mirna, for being a patron again this month. She requested a book themed spread, so I have this I Love Books sticker book from Planything that I'm going to be using to decorate this spread. It's got lots of cute book stuff in here, and I think I want to use... Which do I want to use, actually? They're all so cute. I like these, I really like these. But I use these or these. So I kind of want to use like these and then the books. I could do like a little scene and then stacks of books. And then I have some of these stickers I can use. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Okay, cool. There's super adorable little themes in here. Okay, so I have mini pages and then a extra little sheet here that I will be decorating. So let's start off with the, do I have washi? Let me see. I have tons of Planything washi. At this point, like Planything comes out with so much washi that almost this whole tray is going to be just Planything. Right now it's like all of this, and this, I believe. Yeah. So that's exciting. It just comes out with tons of washi and different colors, but it's like the basic, it's the neutral design, but in colors, which I love. Because I love this kind of like grid and stripe washi, even polka dots too. Those kind of go with a lot of spreads. So I think I'm going to use this brown one. It's a brown grid washi. I think this will work well with this spread. And I can do a little scene on the bottom of this spread. I feel like I haven't done like a scene, like a building scene in a bit. So let me get this washi cutter. Yeah, I haven't done like a building scene in a while. So I'm excited to do a scene down here. All right, so go back to that page. Here. So I think I'm just gonna put buildings. Oh, let me wipe this out first. So I got this note, so I'm gonna wipe out. And then my tweezers. Oh, here they are. They're hiding. I can't see them. Okay, here they are. So I'm gonna put this white building. I'm assuming these are all little bookstores, but they're all different, which I like. And I'm just gonna stack them or put them next to each other here. Let's do one that's maybe a little bit more. Actually, I think, sorry, trying to look at these a little bit better. I'm gonna save this one. I'm gonna put this one down first because it's kind of slanted a little bit. So I think this would be better like on the end. Then I can put this one. And I can put one here. I think this little one will fit. Okay, so we got the bookstores. Love that. And then I can do another bookstore. Actually, no, I want to do bookstores here, and then this will be like the inside of the bookstore, I guess. That's what we're going to go with. That's kind of my storytelling theme, I guess, on the page. Is going to be the inside of the bookstore here. And I have to say, if you have a mini planner, these are great to get because these always fit so perfectly in here. I love it. And Planything just came out with a new planner. I think it was A5. A5? I always forget. But these will fit perfectly in there too. They work well in classics too, but I just love like the sizing for a mini for these. It's kind of perfection. Okay, so I think what I want to do is I want to grab a box before I put this down. Let's grab, let's see, I want it on top. Too brown. This will fit in here. Just want it on top, like so. Oh, perfect. Still gives me room for Wednesday. She needs to put something there, like a little note. Oh yeah, there's these great bullet points. I'm gonna add some of these on the spread. Let's do a little space there. I love this color. This whole like color scheme is so pretty. I'm gonna do a couple more down here. Okay, cool. And then I can do something down here, maybe. I got books. You know what? Let me do some books. Okay, so I got these like books here. I'm gonna stick some books here next to this sticker. I'm just gonna throw books around the spread because why not? Just kind of like scatter them around a little bit, hanging out. Do it here. And let's see what else I can put. I don't want to fit another building. I could do another bookcase on the edge over here. Oh, let me put some washi down. I keep forgetting about the washi. Okay, washi down first. Okay, then I can put this on top. Okay. I need more boxes, so let's go to the boxes. I can put some of those down. So I have this one, and this one is good. Okay, so I'll put this one here, and this one down here. Actually, no. I want this one here. I think 2 boxes is good. All right, cool. And then I'm gonna put, oh, I have circles. It's too big. Oh, it's kind of big. I might use these for the other side. Oh, I also haven't decorated this side. I knew I was missing something. My bad. Okay, so let's go to this side and decorate this. So I'll put this here. And then I'll grab the circle. I can put the circle here. I got a brown one. I'm gonna just put this up here. Just get some brown up here. Let's stick. I'm just gonna do some books. I feel like on top right here will be good. One is so stinking cute. Cool. And then, so I don't really like to overload this side too much because I love the checklist and I love that. So, okay, washi again, top and bottom. Get that on the page. Like the easiest placement. Oh, and I think there's quotes. Perfect. Okay, so I'll be able to put quotes on the page too. So I'm not quite done, but for the most part, I have things where I want it to be. I'm gonna move on to the other sheet before I continue. That way I can make sure I'm not using all the stickers before I finish off the spread. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this long box here. Oh, you know what? Washi. I do this and I run out of space. Okay, there, and then on the top. Okay, putting this back in its box. Oh my goodness, after I film, it's just such a mess every time. I'm trying to be better about keeping myself organized so I don't have as much to clean up. It can be a lot, but yeah, so far so good. I'm doing well, so that's good. I'm gonna do a circle sticker over here too. Let's see, I'll put it on the bottom just to be a little bit different. Okay, And then let's add some books. I feel like doing these books just to change it up a bit. Tweezers. I think these are cool. Okay, let's see. I want to do, this one's cute. I like the little potted, or is it a flower? It's a flower. Let's stick this one up here on the top. And then I want one for here. So let's do this one. I think it'll fit. Come on. Perfect. Okay, I can stick a couple more boxes on the spread, but first I want to look at the quotes because I want to get some quotes on the spread. Oh, there's these two. Okay, cool. I'm more looking at the quotes though. So I think these are the same. Okay, so it's just one page. The quotes technically. I like this one. Reading is dreaming with your eyes open. It's cute. Oh geez. I'm just gonna stick it. Okay, there's it. And then let me get the boxes. Oh, there's more boxes over here I could pull. Oh yeah, totally. Huh. I missed that page. Okay, so I'm gonna use these. I get some brown over here. So crooked. Let me fix that. Put it more here. Try not to get it like right on top of here because I want to put another thing of books. So let me go to that one, that page with the books. And this page. Okay. Let's just do a little one. I'm going to do bullet points here. So let me go to the bullet points. I'm going to do this like khaki color. So I always like to give these little extra pages because sometimes, I mean, the mini is so little. I need to move these over. Yeah, it's so little. It's nice to have an extra sheet if you need it. Okay, so that'll be like a top 3 there. This side's perfection. All done on that side. Just need to do finishing touches on this side. It's not as perfection on this side. All right, so I'm gonna put some more bullet points on this side. I don't like covering up too much on this side because it's not a lot of space and it needs to be usable. So I think honestly this side looks pretty good. It's very functional. You got the decorative element. I might be able to add maybe like one little book over here. Doesn't take up too much room, so totally do that. So let's do, oh, I can do this stack of books actually. It's little enough. There you go. Okay, so that side's good. Just finishing touches on this side. Maybe a quote for right here. So quote. Okay, let's see. That's cute to put on a weekend. My weekend is all booked. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Buy me books and tell me I'm pretty. Because I think, yeah, I could put it here. Oops. And this is still usable in my opinion. I could still like squeeze some things in there, so I think that kind of works. And then I do want to, I think I'm gonna cover this up. And do a couple bullet points over here. What color, what color? I think I might do brown. I don't have a lot of brown on the page. We'll do the top two, I guess. That's what I can fit there. Okay. How pretty. I love the colors so much. So pretty. All right. So that is it. I was able to use just this book, I Love Books, to decorate this really cute book spread for Mirna. So Mirna, I hope you like your spread and I hope you enjoyed watching this plan with me. I hope you all enjoyed watching as well. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button and I hope to see you in the next video.